Welcome back everybody to another video. It's a damn beautiful day, like 82, 84 degrees. We gotta take advantage of these days while they're still here. Mid-October and it's still hot like this. I'm loving it. It is supposed to drop down to like 62 or 64 tomorrow, like a whole 20-degree drop. So I'm thinking that sounds like a good old day to go to the track, because I've been lacking on the YZ250 two-stroke content. I picked it up and uploaded obviously the video of me picking it up. And I took it out one time. I took it to the track one time and kind of just took it on a shakedown run. I never ended up recording on my GoPro or anything, just because I wanted to make sure everything was good with the bike and ready to go. And it seemed really good, so hopefully it stays that way. And hopefully we can get out to the track tomorrow and ride that thing, take it on a little rip. But we're out here with the homies on the 125cc's, just enjoying this day right now, getting a little rip in. Getting a little warmed up on the wheelies too. I noticed in my last video, my last video on this bike at least, the Why You Need a Grommer Z125, I noticed there was like a little crackling or popping kind of in the mic throughout the video, which is weird. But I did a little test run before I came out today and reviewed the video, and it looked like it's fixed. It seemed like everything was fine, so hopefully that's all good. I don't know what was up with that. Okay. Hey! Just getting after it today, baby. Whoop. Sometimes I get too slow. She bogs down. Hey! Just gooning out today, you know. Whew, the sky's looking a little scary though right now. Hopefully it don't get rained on. It's the weekend right now, but come Monday though, I think I'm gonna order me place me an order on that Man in the Box or whatever it is, MNTBX, I don't know, whatever the heck it is, that place that sells the Grom Z125 and monkey parts. But I think I'm gonna get me a new tire, a rear tire at least, maybe a rear in front, but probably just a rear. I think I'm gonna get me a new shifter. I'll get rid of that shitty linkage that this stock shifter has. Whoop. And I'll probably get chain and sprockets while I'm at it too, because this chain is about stretched as all hell. It's about stretched to the max. I can't put it back any further, so probably get me some new chain and sprockets while I'm at it too. and we'll have the old Z125 freshened right up. Because I mean, I have put 4,500 miles on this thing, so it's probably about due for a little service and some new wear parts put on her. We'll get a nice chain for her, some nice sprockets hopefully. So looking forward to that. I don't know what type of tire I'm gonna get yet. I'll definitely let y'all know in a video once I decide, probably in my next video or whatever, but woo! But we'll see, we'll see. Felt good. Yeah, that sky is looking real scary right now. I hope it holds off. I'm trying to go out on the lake a little bit later. That's probably about the nicest Ford Bronco I've seen yet. Most of them look a little funky to me. That one looked pretty clean though. Whoop, 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 whoop. A little teetery on that one. Well, I think we lost the other two. But I ain't done yet. It ain't raining. I'm still going. It is windy. It is eerie. It might come back to bite me, but I want to hit a few more. Uh-oh, starting to feel some water droplets. Let's get 1 or 2 more wheelies in here. That ain't it. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, everybody. It's starting to rain a little bit here. Shit. But it's at Nolan.rides. Try to post some good clips there as well. We turning around. Woo, it's starting to rain now. Uh-oh. I don't think my GoPro's waterproof either. Also, I always link the levers I used, the exhaust I had. I'm gonna get it back on here soon. And the fender eliminator on this thing. So if y'all, anyone who clicks those links, even if you don't buy those things, that helps me out. It gives me a little bit of a cut off of those sales, and it doesn't cost you anything more. So that's a good way to support the channel, and I really appreciate anyone who buys stuff through those links. That helps me out in a little small way, but I appreciate it. Let's get back here. Maybe they made the right call. Well, it looks like the rain's gonna cut this ride short, so I'm gonna head back here, guys. But I appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to watch some other videos on the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.